Hello, today we're going to make a fish using some shapes I found in my house. I found a square in my house. A square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Next shape I found was a circle. Circle has 1 side, goes all the way round. So I'm going to use my square and my circle to make a fish. I also found another square, a big square and a small square. We're going to need both squares to make our fish. And the same with our circle. Got a big circle and a small circle. We're going to need both circles to draw around to make our fish. Now also to make our fish we're going to need paper, different colours if you have it, some paint, we need glue, we need googly eyes if you've got them, some scissors, a pen and a pencil. Now let's get started. First I'm going to start with my square. I'm going to put it on my paper and I need to hold it tight. I need to draw around my square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it off. There's my square. I need my scissors to cut out my big square. 2, 3, and 4. It's my square to be the body of my fish. Now I need my little square. Need another piece of paper. There we go. Hold my little square on. Draw around it again. 1 square. 2 squares. And 3 squares I need. I need my scissors again and to cut the squares out. 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides for my square. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the rubbish. And the next square. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next thing I need is my glue to stick my squares on the paper. Big square first. That's going to be the body of the fish. There it goes in the middle. It's the big square. Need my little squares. Going to be the fins. Fin at the top. Fin at the bottom. And I need one for the tail. There. That's the shape to start for our fish. Now we need to put him an eye. I'm going to use my googly eye. Put some glue on. Stick his eye on. There he is. Looks more like a fish now. Then I need my pen. Here it is for his mouth. Now we're going to put some scales on our fish. That's why I need my little square. Dip it in the paint. Little bit of paint. We're going to print to be the scales on the fish. There. There we have our fish made from squares. Right, next I used my circle shape and I did the same thing to make a fish with circles. drew round the big circle and drew round the little circle to make the body, tail and the fins. So you can make a fish with squares and circles. See what shapes you can find in your house to make your own fish. Happy making! Bye bye!